Thank you so much. I am happy to be here this afternoon to provide a quick overview of CBER's Manufacturer's Assistance and Technical Training Branch that I will refer to as MATTB during this presentation. During this presentation, I will discuss who we are, to include our mission, talk a little bit about what we do, highlight some do's and don'ts concerning the types of inquiries with which we assist, and sum things up with a take-home message and contact information. Who are we, you might ask? Well, let's take a look at where we are within CBER's organizational structure. MATTB is located within CBER's Office of Communication Outreach and Development under the Division of Manufacturers Assistance and Training. Our mission is to provide our stakeholders with access to timely, accurate, and useful information about CBER-regulated products and services. What we do. We respond to industry inquiries. We coordinate liaison meetings with industry. We coordinate public events such as workshops and conferences. We have an exhibit program, and we coordinate and track requests for CBER speakers. For the purposes of this presentation, I will focus on inquiries and liaison meetings. MATTB receives questions from all facets of industry via telephone and email, to include big pharma, small startups, blood banks, and tissue banks, to name a few. Oftentimes, we are the first point of contact with FDA. It is also important to note that we still answer phones live and that we do not have a phone tree system. We are very proud of that fact. We respond to general information requests from industry received by email or phone concerning CBER's policies, procedures, and regulations. We provide this information using publicly available resources found on FDA's website and more specifically from CBER's web pages. We often respond in real time by navigating inquiries to the information over the phone. However, due to the complex nature of biological products, we also at times have to consult with subject matter experts from our product offices. If your questions do not pertain to a CBER product, we will redirect your inquiry to the appropriate center or FDA component. All centers work together to ensure that the inquiry is properly handled. After all, we are one FDA. Here are some do's and don'ts with regard to inquiries. You may contact MATTB if you need assistance prior to submitting an application. You may contact MATTB if you are a lawyer or consultant representing a firm. However, please do not contact MATTB if you have already had a meeting with FDA about your submission. We recommend that you contact the product office. Do not contact MATTB if you are a lawyer or consultant that is not representing a firm. We recommend that you contact our Consumer Affairs branch. Please note that MATTB will assist if you need help with finding contact information for your assigned regulatory project manager or any other contacts within the center. Another important function of MATTB is to help coordinate liaison meetings between our product offices and industry organizations. You can find more information about liaison meetings in our SOPP 8101.2. These meetings are periodic meetings between CBER and an external organization representing a group of interested parties. The meetings are meant to provide an opportunity to discuss topics of mutual interest to CBER and the organization. For example, we've had liaison meetings with the American Association of Tissue Banks and the Biotechnology Innovation Organization. These meetings occur at the request of the external organization, and MATTB serves as the point of contact. Liaison meeting summaries are available via a Freedom of Information Act request. In summary, we are here to help. After all, assistance is our middle name. We focus on outreach through many of our functions, and we are only a phone call or email away. And finally, here are some important contacts. Thank you so very much for your attention, and I am happy to answer any questions later.